Hey guys, John Quick here. There's one thing that I love is a cup of coffee. But you know what else that I love? The SmallRig. This thing is great. And what it is, and we're gonna do a little unboxing today, a shell that goes around your Sony ZV-E10 camera. And what it does is it protects it from the elements if you drop it. And anybody who knows this camera and who owns this camera can testify that it is very, let's just say fragile. It's not the best shell of the hardest material, you know? So what this thing does is this thing keeps it protected. So let's do a little unboxing. So it comes in your box just like that, and open it up and it's gonna come like that. Very good packaging. This company has been around since 2007, and they make these for any type of camera, not just the Sony ZV-E10. They do for Canon, they do for any camera out there. Basically you can find one of these. So it's going to come in this right here, and what you're going to do is you're just going to open it up and you're going to take it out. It's one solid unit, and the only other thing that it comes with the solid unit, like I said, and basically it comes with, you have your box of stuff. It has a big Allen wrench and a small Allen wrench and a little piece that goes into the corner with the screw. And I will show you how to put it on because it can be a little tricky and you don't really want to break and squeeze and force and push, because this camera is really good but it's kind of fragile. And it doesn't take long to put it together. If you look at this has a great grip. It's one solid unit. It's got your 1/4-20 screws on the side there, so you can hold your camera up when you need to. And it's got 5 on the bottom for different tripod selection. SmallRig also does accessories, so you can have handles, you can have just a bunch of different stuff, but today it's just this. That's why I'm trying to keep this video short. Also, when you put it on, it doesn't cover up any of the lettering on the camera. So if you look right there, it still has your on-off C1 buttons and your labels for the tripod on there. And what it does is it just makes it a lot better. And it's got your strap holes on there. It's got your strap hole on the other side, so you're not restricted when you put it on. You're not covering anything. You're just protecting the camera. Now, but look at this grip. You know, and one thing about this camera that I didn't like is when you're holding it, it's very thin. Okay, and when this grip is on there, look how thick that is. And it's made of a silicone rubber that just grips right to your hand. It feels so comfortable. And you really have like a bulky feeling when you're holding this camera. Really good, right out of the box, and right as soon as you put it on for the first time, you can feel how chunky and how good and bulky that this feels. Now, I've had it on for over a year now, and I can't say anything negative about this product. It's about 40 bucks, 50 bucks, depends on where you get it. I got mine at Amazon, and I got mine regularly cheap on sale, you know, with your little coupons that you can use. But this is not a commercial for, this is not a paid ad for the company. I just really love this product. So I was hoping that I can steer you guys in the right direction so that you can enjoy it too. Another thing is I got a link in the description, and all it is an affiliate thing. I get a little bit for you purchasing it. And so if you want to do that, you can. The link is in the description. Again, the company itself is not promoting me. It's not a paid advertisement. It's just a product that I love, and I wouldn't put anything else on my camera. And I love my camera. Links in the description. Thanks for the support so I can put more videos out for you. Hit that subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell notification, and I got more videos coming. Hope you guys are having a great day, and get out there and use your cameras, take some shots, get out in nature, put down your phone, and start taking pictures of life in general, and start making art. All right, guys, this is John Quick, and we'll catch you later. Peace.